Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani's L Pod and Moyra 11 Damask Drapery. I've started off with Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone. And this is Moonshine Mani's L Pod. This was one of my pickups from Polish Pickup last month. Oh, it's stunning. It's a gray with all kind of flakies in it, but it's a thermal. I can't wait to show you the color shift and change in this one. As always, it's got an excellent formula, and I love the brush. Love the brush. My kind of brush there. So I'm going to go in with the second coat of L Pod. And I had to have this one. I had to have it. It spoke to my heart. I've always loved the whales and had to have it. So I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And we're going to get ready to do some playing. Isn't that pretty all on its own, just like it is? Capping that free edge. Gotta get Woody out of here because I can't do that glob up under the tip. Here is some Mani in Motion with just that beautiful polish and a swatch photo. And here is Moyra Stamping Plate 11 Damask Drapery. I'll be using Brave Steva Shutout on this one, my Beauty Scraper, and my Conad Stamper. And I'm going to use different images off of this plate. You know, sometimes I just can't make up my mind what I want to do and use. There's just so many options. I figure if I was stamping from the same plate with the same color that it would be okay. So I do clean that stamper off on a lint roller, and when I get around to cleaning the plate, I'll be cleaning it with pure acetone. But since I'm doing different images, I'm not worried about cleaning it right now. I thought that image is so pretty. I'll line it up and slide it on that nail. Here we go with another gorgeous image. This plate right here had so many images I wanted to use. It just... hard to choose. So there we go. And there we go with our cleanup and the acetone. Using my cotton claw. And I'm going to flip that cotton ball over so that I can get this plate really good and clean before I put it away. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess stamping polish off of my fingertips. And this is coming up really well. Really nice. I like it when it's nice and easy. But I am going to go in with my cleanup brush because y'all know I have to. I have to do it that way. I have to clean it all the way up. It just makes sense. I'll be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat on this today so that I don't smear any of those stamped images. And once it's completely dry, which doesn't take long, I'm going to go in with my Poshe top coat and get it to, you know, dry down with a gorgeous glossy shine. Oh, I love it. I'm going to cap that free edge again. And there we go. Now here is it all on its own. And a swatch photo. And I thought I was done, but I decided, nope, I'm going to use this Hit the Bottle Copper-Haired Girl. And I'm going to go over those same stamped images because the white just wasn't popping enough for me. Thought I was done, didn't you? I thought I was, but I'm not. That's why this video is a little longer, because the girl could not make up her mind. We're just going to go over those same images. And I hate to put y'all through this, but, you know, this is some of that, you know, some of that craziness that this girl does sometimes. Now, trying to line these up is just such a trip. I don't always get it real good, but, you know, all you can do is try. And that's all I'm doing here is just trying, just giving it a go. Gotta turn that plate to get to that last image I used right there. Just wasn't popping enough, you know. You ladies know what I'm talking about. You just look at it and look at it after you're done and you're like, nope, this isn't gonna do. So there we go. And there's a swatch photo of it on its own, all done. Now, I've got my hand down in some cool water because I wanted you to see it gets real dark gray when it's cold. There's a picture of that one. And then now I've got the warm water. And look at that. And there it is, warm. And then we've got some 2 gray and 2 warm. And then I'm going to show you a little bit of half and half. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.